come join me for a day at Millennium Park.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Wanderlust Woolman, and we are here at Millennium Park, a beautiful public park, free of entry to everybody in the area. No matter where you come from, what walks of life, doesn't matter. If it's free, it's for me and you. And it is located in the loop of downtown Chicago, so it is very easy to access for any of y'all visiting or living here.
And the beautiful thing about Chicago is that when you're not freezing your ass off and going into hibernation mode, it's a beautiful place to live. And as we can see, it's a really peaceful spring morning, and there's not very many people here at the park. So that's another key, is when you're coming to Millennium Park, make sure to try and come on a morning, especially during the week. Actually, anytime during the week is probably your best bet. You can hear the birds chirping in the background. As you can see behind me here, the flowers are starting to bloom. And you can see my tiny little ear, which is also a bonus. Come walk around with me, and we're just gonna do a little tour of Millennium Park, one of the best things to do in Chicago, guys. Let's go. So the cool thing about Millennium Park is 1 second you're right next to the city street with all the noises of cars, but just very shortly,
the commotion of the city is dulled down to just a dull roar.
Now, although Chicago, or the Millennium Park in Chicago, is most famous for the Bean, aka Cloud Gate, aka Tourist Trap 101. It's a little bit of a tourist trap, guys, but it's pretty cool to see. There's so much more to offer. It is a really wide, very vast park. I will have the specific statistics about the acreage right here on screen for you as we speak. But yeah, make sure you check out a little map or look online to familiar yourself with the area in case you want to make sure you hit everything possible in the park, because there is so much to offer, such as the Pritzker Pavilion, which my big head is in the way, but it's okay. So this is the Pritzker Pavilion, which, if you can't tell, is a very cool, uniquely shaped building. Definitely has a bit of flair, and it has a nice wide open lawn. So this is a great place to see a concert or come out for something on a summer night with all this space.
And in case you all are wondering, there's a pretty decent brunch spot across the street. Oh, no.
I'm sorry, Wilson! Wilson, I'm sorry!
Not Wilson. It is Wild Berry. They have some good pancakes and vegan options and all that good stuff. And as you can see, it is just right across the street from Millennium Park. How cool is that? Am I right? This is kind of fun. All right, I'll stop now.
Look at these freaking beautiful red flowers right in there. So pretty.
And now we are at the famous Cloud Gate, aka the Bean. The most famous thing probably in all of the Midwest, if I had to be honest. Fun fact, these cool little things that decorate this area of the park, that you should see dangling above my head like little gems in the sky, they were designed by an artist named Christine Tarkowski. I know all the facts. I definitely didn't just read that beforehand. $10 if you can guess what this is just from this. It's just a pillar of a face, something you see every day. Now, a little bit of a fun fact is these faces that are displayed at Millennium Park are a collection of different citizens living around Chicago. So is it a little creepy that they know faces of random people that live in the city? You tell me. You tell me. I'll let you be the judge here. Now, another pro tip, an amazing place to go out to eat for lunch or dinner. Hot Wok's Cool Sushi. It's right over the street. It has some really good vegan sushi options, Pan Asian, Japanese, and all that stuff. So make sure to check it out if you have some time and you are working up a bit of an appetite walking around here. Welcome to the Lui Garden. And as you can see, although it's not at its prettiest, things are still definitely blooming. So, would you like me to come back and show you more once things are even prettier? Yay or nay? Okay. The audience has spoken. But the cool thing about Millennium Park is not only is it a little bit of nature, a little bit of peace and relaxation, but you also get some amazing views of the urban sights to be seen in the city. Don't believe me? Let me show you. 3, 2, 1.
And did I mention that you can take a really cool pedestrian bridge to make it to Maggie Daley Park? Look at that, guys. Pretty cool, right?
And truth be told, there really is no bad time to come to the Millennium Park. It'll always have a little bit of space and peace and quiet depending on where you want to go. And it's spring right now, so just in a few more weeks and months, these trees will be full of leaves. In the summer, everything will just be green and warm. In the fall, you'll see some beautiful foliage of the changing of the leaves. And during the winter, there'll be mounds of snow decorating this area with some snowflakes falling on a nice winter, magical, Midwestern, magnificent, mild Midwest night. That alliteration was top notch. So the point I'm trying to get at is you just gotta come here, guys. Also, another great thing about coming to the park in winter is that you can go ice skating right back here. It might be a little crowded, but it's definitely a fun experience to do at least once. And then right around the other side, there normally is a really big tree that gets lit up, and during the Christmas time, you can feel really festive.
So that's the video, everybody. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please give the video a like if you like Millennium Park or something about my cringy presentation of personality. Give you a little bit of enjoyment throughout this video. So. Also, be sure to leave a comment below if you've been to the park, if you want to go, what are your opinions? I'd love to hear from you guys below in the comment section. And as always, please hit subscribe if you want to continue to see more amazing Chicago content. Well, let's just say average, who knows? What's the metric, right? And more travel content coming soon. Crazy, mind-blowing stuff is heading your way ASAP. So thanks for watching, guys. It's been real. See you later, my wanderers. Peace.